mentioned in some of the students' name? Is it mentioned BBA Honors C? We have 3 divisions in honors. Also, we have 3 WhatsApp groups, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes it creates some confusion. So A and C both are combined, and B is separate. That's
No, sir. Actually, C has been divided into two parts, and half of them is in A and half of them are in B.
so C is divided in 2 parts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Perfect. Nevertheless, so I hope that you are doing good all, and you must be practicing French at your home. Uh, correct. So talking about the videos, I'm just in process of uploading all the videos. Very soon, next by this Friday or Saturday, I mean tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll share the link with you, the link of YouTube, in which I've created a separate playlist of your class, wherein you can find all the videos. But I believe that videos are of no use. These are just useless material, because I only believe in the in-person lecture, and what you can learn in the in-person class, that can never be learned through the recorded sessions, right? So it's just formality which we have to complete. Don't rely much on the recordings, but rather your most of the focus should be on the live classes. That's what I believe. Okay then, because if you cannot speak, it's of no use. Languages like skills, I always say that if you cannot reciprocate, there is no point in learning it, and that you can never do when you watch the recorded videos. You have no chance to speak, right? Chelsea, good morning. Okay, so let's begin. Can someone tell me what had we covered last time? What was the part?
So you told
So
us
we had done two like.
Yeah, yes, to like Manish in midsem, what we will be covering is numbers will come, okay? Then the grammar portion that we had done about manger, right? So manger verb will come, grammar portion related to that sum, we had learned that part, right? That will come, your introduction will come, days of the week, uh, months of the year. I don't know we have done it or not, but it's not that huge topic, that can be done. Some basic things will come which we have talked so far. Okay, so not all the verbs will come, but some of the basic verbs which we are learning, their conjugations may come up. So yes, we had talked about the verb aimer. Who will come and conjugate the verb manger? And someone has to conjugate the verb aimer. I want two persons. One will conjugate the verb manger, and the second will conjugate the verb aimer. Who are these two persons?
So may I?
Himja, please go ahead.
So Monshe or Amy?
Okay, you do the conjugate of manger. Okay, you do the conjugate of
Okay, sir.
aimer. You do the aimer.
Okay, sir. So j'aime, tu aimes, il or elle aime. Then nous aimons, vous
Nous aimons.
aimez,
Vous aimez.
nous aimons, vous aimez, and il or elle aime.
Ils
Ils
aiment.
aiment,
Yes.
elles aiment.
Elles aiment. C'est parfait. C'est parfait. Très bien. Who else?
sir,
Quelqu'un
may
qui
I?
peut conjuguer. Yes, Vishwa. Vishwa and then Neha. I'll ask you some questions. Vishwa, you go ahead with Monje.
Okay, sir. Je mange, you mange, il or elle mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il or elle mange.
Parfait. Neha, which verb you would like to conjugate? Monje or aimer?
Sir, whichever you say, I'm ready for both.
Perfect. So you do the conjugate of aimer.
Okay, sir. J'aime, il or elle aime, nous aimons, vous aime,
Vous
il
aimez.
or elle, il or elle aime, tu aimes.
C'est parfait. Very good. Okay then, great. Today we will learn about, see what we are going to learn today is also going to be a part of your exam, okay? And also in real life, in practical life, it's very important. We have to learn to talk about the timing. what time it is. For example, it is 9:58, or we can say it's 10 in the morning. Okay, so we are going to talk about how to say time in French, how to read the clock. Perfect, but before that, we have to do the quick revision of the numbers. So I'm sure that we have done the numbers till 60. Is that done till 60? So numbers
No,
till
sir, we have
60?
done 0
Sir,
to 20.
0 to 20. Okay. So if you know the numbers 0 to 20, then learning numbers till 60 is not going to be a big challenge. Okay, it's the same. It's just a repetition of the some numbers, and we have to just do the combinations of certain numbers. So let me teach you first numbers till 60, and then we'll talk about the time. So before that, I want someone who can speak out the numbers from 0 to 10, and someone for 11 to 20. So who will
me.
read all? Yashvi. Okay, Yashvi.
Sir, may I?
You'd like to? Okay, Yashvi, you do the numbers from 0 to 10, and Himja 11 to 20.
Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect. Very good. 11 to 20, Himja.
Yes, sir. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
C'est parfait. C'est bien, les deux. Both of you, very good. You have spoken very nicely. Now we are going to learn the numbers from 21 onwards. So let me share my screen. Hold on. Here it is. So if you know the numbers from 0 to 16, learning numbers till 100, 1000 will not be that challenging. Okay. So I have screen. I'm sure you must be able to see it. 20. Now 20 we call 1. Right? 21 will be 1 te let me write. 20 is 1. What we call 1? 1 is and in between you just have to add et. What is the meaning of et? What does it mean? Et, what does it mean? Anyone? You know it.
So can you repeat the question? Actually, your voice was breaking.
Hold on, just a minute. मारू कोई काम नहीं है. It's okay. Okay. So can you tell me the meaning of ET? What does it mean, ET?
A, that is end.
And yes, très bien. But how do we call it? How to read ET? It's
A.
only A. A. It's A. Okay. So one te always when we talk about the number, first number, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, only in that case we have to add this A in between. The next number onwards will not put ET in between, will directly connect two numbers. Okay. So the first is 1 te Okay. Am I audible properly? Am I audible? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Can someone give me the confirmation? Okay, fine. Also, tell me that how do we write 22? This time we'll not put ET in between. How to say 22?
Vado.
Yes, exactly. Vada. 23?
What?
Vatva. Okay. Yashvi, please speak till number 29. Keep on speaking. Vanteha, then Vada, Vatva, then
Va, 4, Vaseng,
Mhm,
Vasis,
mhm.
Vaset, Vavit, Vanaf.
Anaf and Trond. This is Trond. Trond. Trond 30. So 3 is Thwa and 30 is Trond. Very similar, right? Thwa, Trond. Okay. How do we write 31? Who will say? 31 will be?
Can you repeat 30?
Okay. 30 is Trond. Remember, whenever we have en in French is always o. Trond. En is o. So Trond. It will give a sound which is somewhat similar to o. Trond.
Okay,
And
sir.
okay. So how do we say the first number? 31.
31,
31. 31. 31.
Sir,
Yes, Akshat? Hello? Akshat? Yes, please tell me. Okay. How do we say 32?
32,
On the perfect. Himja, please speak the numbers till 39.
32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40. 40. Right? 40. 4. 4 is 4. So 40 is 40. 40. So what will be 41?
Kehonte,
41 will be 40. Très bien. 40. Yashvi? So who else? Only two students are speaking up. What about others? What about others? I can only see Hinja and Yashvi speaking. Others, where are you? Ain't you present? Okay, no worries. Yashvi, you please continue till 49.
Kehonda,
excuse me, sir.
Yes, Akshat. हाँ अक्षत बोलो.
Sir,
Hello, can you hear me?
sir, am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Now you are not audible. Akshat, I think there is some network issues at your end. You can also, yes. Okay,
Can you
okay,
repeat
21 to 40.
40?
Dhruv, 40 is Kerhont. 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 Okay. I repeat, 20 is Va. 21 is Vante. 22 is Vada. Now we will not speak A in between. Vante. We speak T because it connects with T. So it becomes Vante. It is connected. Vante. Then ET will be removed. So we'll say Vada, Vatva, Vakatra, Vasenk, Vasis, Vaset, Vavit, Vanav, and Thront. Again, ET will come when it comes with the first number. As far as the first number is concerned, we have to add ET. So Tronte a, Tront the, Tront va, Tront quatre, Tront cinq, Tront six, Tront sept, Tront huit, Tront neuf, and quarante. Quarante un, quarante deux, quarante trois, quarante quatre. Akshat? Akshat, can
Sir,
you please write in the chat? Tront. 30 is Tront.
it's a Tron.
Like this. Tront. Tront. T will be spoken. Okay, 40
Tron
is
10,
Querhont.
31.
40 will be Querhont.
No, no, sir. 31. I'm saying. Tron
Acha.
10.
Tron te
Tron 8.
Hold on, let me write. Tron te like this. Read in English. Read like English, okay? Tron te
Tron 10.
Yes. Then it will be Tron to the.
Tron to the.
On the. So this E we are adding Tronte. We call it Tronte. Only in the case of the first word after 30, 40, 50. Okay. So now let's check it, and then I'll give you some tasks about numbers. Yes, yes. First, it's compulsory to add ET in between. ET is compulsory. We speak the number, so it will come after. It only comes with the first number. After 20, 30, 40, 50, ET will come, and that's why the pronunciation will be changed. We have to speak the T. T will be spoken. So bante kahonte okay, kahonte kahon the, kahon trois, kahon quatre, kahon cinq, kahon huit, kahon neuf. And 50 will be. So 5 is okay. 40 is kahon. So R, you know, R is not spoken in French. So try to give it a sound of H, kahon. Or if you can give the sound of her, that is more appropriate. Kahon. So kahon or kahon. H, just try to speak R as light H, kahon. R should not be given so much of emphasis, and R should not be spoken R. Yes, Akshat?
Sir, could you please write in English?
Let me write it. Kahon. Because R is H, right? R is actually kh, kh. But if you find it difficult to speak her, you can speak her. H sound, kahon.
Pronounced as Kehon.
Yes, kahon. If you watch any videos of French numbers, you can easily connect it. Kahon te kahon the. 50 is cinquante. So 5 is cinq, right? 5 is cinq. Cinquante. Is cinquante. Okay. Now who will read the numbers from 51 onwards? 5 is cinq. 50 is cinquante.
May I?
Yes, Inja, please.
Cinquante et un, cinquante, cinquante-trois, cinquante et un,
Yes, cinquante et un. Cinquante deux.
cinquante-deux,
Cinquante.
cinquante-trois.
A sound will not come. It will be cinquante. Cinquante et un. Cinquante deux.
Okay, sir. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
Okay, perfect. The 8 will be with. With. Okay, fine. Hold on, there are two messages. It's getting typical with each increment of 10 digits. Yes, actually, it's typical. It's a pattern is same. It's just the same pattern. Okay, so let me write cinquante. Okay, we can cinquante for your ease. Cinquante. This is cinquante un. Cinquante un. Then 52. The A sound will be removed. So cinquante the. This time I will say 50. Now try to read like English. Here you have to read like English. Hold on. Here 50. Here A is spoken. Here A is gone. Because A only comes with the first number. After each 10 digit, A will come for the first number only. Okay, so it is 21, 31, 41, 51. If you talk the second number, then vada. This time I will not say vante. No, vada, trente, not trente. Vanda, trente, trente, quarante, cinquante. Okay, and up till now we will read till 60. So 60 will be soixante. Soixante. It's soixante. It's soixante. Soixante. Okay, then we'll not do numbers beyond 60 because pattern will change a bit. So that will not cover in this lecture. As of now, just numbers till 60. So va, practically you have to remember only 4 numbers, 5 numbers. Va, trente, quarante, cinquante, and soixante. The rest are the combinations. So 20 is va, 21 is 21, 30 is trente, 31 is 31, 41, 51, 61. Later on it will come like this only. Okay, now I need someone who can read the numbers from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. So 4 persons are needed. There is a vacancy of 4 persons. Can I get the
Can
right
I?
candidates? Okay,
May
one
I?
is Vishwa, second
So
is
may I?
Yashvi. Okay,
May
Isha
I?
is the third, and fourth is Dhruti. Perfect. So Vishwa, 20 to 30, Yashvi, 30 to 40, Isha, Isha 40 to 50, and Dhruti 50 to 60. Okay, come on, say s'il vous plaît. Vishwa, please start. 20 to 30.
Vateo, Vada, Vatva,
Mhm.
Vaketra, Vasink, Vasis, Vaset, Vavit, Vanaf, Throat.
Très bien, c'est parfait. Yashvi?
31,
Mhm.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40.
Parfait. Isha?
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50.
C'est très bien. Dhruti?
Yes. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Très bien. Jaspreet, Pierre Devu. I'm proud of you. Excellent job, all 4. Okay? So, numbers 0 to 60 we have done, but we cannot say that numbers are done until it's proven. Am I right or wrong? We can only say that numbers are learned once it is proven. And in order to prove it, it calls for a small quiz, a small test. So, are you all ready to take that small test of numbers? 0 to 60. Are you ready to attend a small test? What I'm going to do is, I'll speak 10 numbers. I'll speak 10 numbers in French. You just need to write in English. You need to write the digits, what I'm speaking, which digits I'm calling out. Okay? And once I'm done with the 10 numbers, I'll write down that what I've written and you have to verify with your answers. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perfect. Only 2 years. Only 2 years.
Yes, sir.
3 years. Chalo, we'll start with this. So please listen carefully. If it starts with va, it must be somewhere around 20 to 30. If it starts with front, it's in the range of 30. Kerhon, 40. Senkon, 50. Right? So focus on the numbers which are being spoken. Here I go. The first number is Tron set. The first is Tron set. Second is Kehont the. Kehont the. Tron set, Kehont the. Third is Kens. Kens. Fourth is Van Ketre. Van Ketre. Okay, after Van Ketre it is Twa. It's Twa. Then 59. 59. Quarante seas. 46. 46. Then it is 33. 33. Okay. After that, it's with. It's with. And the last is 54. 54. Okay. So I'm sure that I've started getting the responses. Let me just check. Yashvi, very quick. Himja, Manish. Vishwa, okay. Kindly verify it with your answers. Have you written it correctly or is there any variation? I've written the answer. Hold on. Okay. Tell me who have scored 10 out of 10? 10 on 10. Who has scored all the 10? Okay. Himja, Isha, Yashvi, Vedangi, Vishwa. C'est parfait. Very good. Neha, 8. Okay. It doesn't matter. Don't worry. Okay, then great. I hope that you are ready with the numbers. Now, once you're ready with the numbers till 60, the time has come to talk about the timing. Okay, so let's learn how to speak the time. Just a second. So let me know if you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manish. Yes, but maybe by coming 1 or 2 lectures till that portion, it will be covered in mid-sem. After that, see what I'm doing is, let me tell you very honestly, our syllabus is very short, to be very honest, because when it was designed, we did not have any proper faculty of French language. So it was designed it was designed maybe 2 years back, and hence it is very basic. It's very basic. I am not sticking to the syllabus. I'm just going beyond it, because if you've got some good time, why not to utilize it? So that's why I always say that passing an exam, scoring good marks is not going to be that difficult. But I'm looking at this language on a broader perspective, and I'm just trying to utilize the time and make you learn as much as I can. Okay? Otherwise, there is no scope of learning the pronunciation, because in exam, it's not the viva. We are not going to have viva. So it doesn't make sense to learn pronunciation from exam point of view. But I believe that if we learn the language, pronunciation plays a dominant role. We should learn it as well. Because सिर्फ हम लोग लिखना सीखेंगे, उससे काम नहीं चलेगा. लिखने से तो क्या होगा, आप बोल दोगे कि चलो मैंने फ्रेंच की एग्जाम दी, बट अगर कोई आपको बोलेगा कि चलो इसको आप पढ़ो, या फिर आप खुद को भी पढ़ना चाहोगे, तो आप कैसे पढ़ोगे? You'll speak it like English, है ना? If I give an example, you are already ready for the exam, ऐसा मान के चलो आप लोग, right? We are just going beyond it. हम लोग कुछ पढ़ते हैं इंग्लिश की तरह, तो हम लोग कैसे पढ़ेंगे इसको? चलो ये कुछ है, हमने जो लास्ट टाइम देखा था. ये फ्रेंच में हम इसको दे लेग्यूम बोलते हैं. आप इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलोगे इसको? इमजा, read it as English.
Des legumes.
Des legumes, legumes, right? Des fruits. अब इसको हम लोग अलग तरीके से बोलेंगे, सबका अलग अपना मेथड होगा. यूने बागेते, यूने क्रीम ग्लास है, क्रीम ग्लास. अब इसको यून और आपको अन बोलेंगे. विल कॉल इट अन. गातियो, अ चॉकलेट, अन बिस्किट, अन फ्रोमेज, यूने तारते. Am I right or wrong? To what extent I am correct?
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You
Because
are right.
language. Yes, Manish.
सर आपने अभी इनकरेक्ट बोल के अब जो अप्रोप्रिएट प्रोनाउंसिएशन था वो बुला दिया.
I didn't mean it, but I'm sorry. Actually मैं यही बोल रहा था कि इसमें है ना, अब तक जो चल रहा था ना लास्ट ईयर तक, वो कैसे चल रहा था कि चलो एक सब्जेक्ट है और इसको हमें स्टूडेंट्स को ऑफर करना है एंड उनको एग्जाम दिलवानी है और पास करवाना है. दैट वाज द इंटेंशन. बट आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग बियॉन्ड इट. आई बिलीव दैट अगर हमारे पास टाइम है तो इसका थोड़ा यूटिलाइज करें और आपको वैसे सिखाए ताकि आपको रियल लाइफ में भी कुछ बेनिफिशियल रहे. बट ठीक है, वो इंग्लिश वाला साइड में रखना. इट वाज जस्ट द एग्जांपल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टाइम. ओके, सो हम लोग टाइम के लिए 2 वर्ड्स हैं. टाइम के लिए 2 वर्ड्स है. थैंक्स मनीष. वी हैव लटॉम्प. एक ये भी है लटॉम्प. आप डालोगे तो शायद आपको ये भी मिलेगा. तो लटॉम्प मीन्स इट्स टाइम ऑल्सो, बट हम लोग इसको सीजन की तरह लेते हैं. व्हाट इज द टाइम नाउ? कैसा टाइम चल रहा है ये, हम लोग ऐसा बोलेंगे. एट दैट टाइम वी से लटॉम्प. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द क्लॉक टाइमिंग वी कॉल इट लर. लर, lur, because R is her, right? Lur. It's little difficult to speak. Lur. Lur बोलोगे तो भी चलेगा. It's okay to speak R. Okay? It doesn't make much difference. Lur. So first of all, let's say what do we call morning? So
Sir, can you write that in English? Le something you said.
I'm trying it. इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे लर, how to write English में इसको, I'm trying, hold on, लर, लर, right? Did you understand? लर, R को little give little importance to लर, हाँ, something like this, Manish. R को कम importance दो, ज़्यादा importance H को extend करो, लर, लर, okay. Try it at your end as well, जब भी time मिले. लर बोलोगे तो भी चलेगा, आर बोलो, इट्स ओके, इट विल नॉट मेक मच डिफरेंस. ओके, मॉर्निंग विल बी ल माता. इट्स नॉट मातीन बट इट्स माता. कभी भी कोई भी वर्ड आई एन सैंड हो उसको आ प्रोनाउंसिएशन आता है इसमें, ल माता, ल माता. Hello, yes, okay, it's l'après-midi. L'après-midi is after noon, after mid, midi is mid, after mid. l'après-midi, e will come with accent, इसके ऊपर accent आएगा ऐसा, ये जो है ऐसा accent e के ऊपर आएगा, l'après-midi. Then we have evening. What do we call evening? You know it.
Bonsoir.
हाँ, bonsoir is good evening. So evening is
Swa.
soir. Soir. Soir is evening. Soir. कभी भी आर लास्ट में आएगा तो आपको बोलने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो इन दैट केस आप आर बोलो या फिर उसमें भी एच का थोड़ा एसेंस डाल दो. Soir. And night. Night is what is night?
Nuit.
Nuit.
Yes, nuit. 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 So le matin, le soir, la nuit. La nuit. Okay. So as of now, these are the timings of days. Days के अलग-अलग times हैं. Now we have to say that what's the time right now? What time it is? We will say Sita Keller, Sita Keller, Sita Keller, Sita Keller, Sita Keller, Sita Keller. What time it is? Sita Keller. Who will repeat? Sita Keller. Imja?
C'est à quelle heure?
Yes, Sita Keller. Chelsea?
C'est à quelle heure?
Sita Keller. The answer is say 10:32. चलो कैसे बोलेंगे? It's 10:32 a.m. Okay. Now remember French. In French we don't have that a.m. p.m. So we follow the cycle of 24 hours. So if something comes after 12, we have to keep on adding. So 1 will be 13. 1 p.m. is 13, 2 p.m. is 14, like that. So it's 10:30 in the morning, ऐसा बोलना है, right? So say these are s add करना होगा because 10 is a plural count.